In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website on Wix without using AI assistance. Creating a website might seem daunting at first, but with Wix, you can effortlessly build a professional-looking site thanks to its vast array of templates. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website, which is known for its user-friendly design and customizable templates. Once you're there, find and click on the Explore tab. This is a great starting point to gather inspiration for your future website. Within the Explore section, you'll see various options, but for now, click on Inspiring Websites. This is where you can view successful examples of sites built on Wix, giving you a sense of what's possible. Upon exploring these, you might already feel inspired to start your own project. If you're ready, we will move to exploring the templates Wix offers. To do this, look for the option to Explore Wix's template within the Inspiring Websites section. Clicking on this will open up a comprehensive catalog of available website templates. Here, you'll find a huge selection sorted into categories, ranging from business to personal blogs to online stores. Each template is tailored to different industries and purposes, ensuring that whatever your vision is, there's a template to match. Spend some time browsing through this collection. It's worth it to peruse various templates to find the one that truly aligns with your brand's identity and goals. As you're exploring, don't rush your selection process. Consider factors like the layout, design elements, and the overall feel of each template. Remember, the template you choose will set the tone for your website's visual appeal and user experience. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the choices, start by filtering the templates based on your specific needs or industry type. This can narrow down the options and help you focus on templates most suitable for your project. Once you've decided on a template you like, you're able to select it and thus begin the exciting part, personalizing it. Wix makes it easy to customize every aspect of your template, from colors and fonts to images and text. But remember, today we're focusing on getting started without the use of any AI tools, so rely more on your vision while customizing. This whole process of creating a website without AI involves choosing something that not only fits your style, but also serves your functional needs. As you become more familiar with the platform, feel free to experiment with different features to truly make the website your own. With Wix, you have both the creative freedom and the technical capabilities to build something remarkable. I hope this guide sets you on the right track to creating a stunning website on Wix. Remember to take your time exploring and experimenting to ensure your finished project meets your vision. Stay tuned for more tips and walkthroughs and happy site building.